Hello everyone, welcome to Quill. Continuing with this series, Word Mania, word of the day is infamous. Now what does this infamous means? If we talk particularly in Hindi, it's called badnaam hona, right? The person जो कि famous है but for all the wrong reasons, that is infamous. Well known for some bad quality or deed is the person who is infamous. Okay, moving on to the sentences. This singer is infamous for his involvement in a criminal case. George was infamous for his deeds. Only later would I learn the terms of that infamous deal. Now, synonyms for infamous are discreditable, disgraceful, dishonorable, notorious, shady, shameful, shoddy, unrespectable. Near antonyms for infamous are honorable, reputable, respectable, decent, upright, esteemed, prestigious, reputed, respected, guiltless. So that's it from my side. Do subscribe for more videos.